What's up, everybody? Everyone is doing all of these like a day in quarantine or like quarantine life vlogs, and so I thought I'd do the same. Um, I am a mess. My hair and my face are a mess right now, so I have a Snapchat filter on to help the appearance. But some things that I kind of want to show you, I guess, is that we are repainting our kitchen. So um, I guess I'll show you guys some progress. We've already taken out all of like the cabinet doors and everything inside the cabinets. We still have our snack drawer filled because, you know, priorities. But we have everything set up on the table and we just need to take out some of the drawers. And my dirty dishes, as always. I suck at washing dishes because I absolutely hate it. But yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna set up like tarp and cover. Okay, I've recorded this part like 3 times because I keep lowering the camera or my phone, and it's not cute. But anyways, I still have to set up like tarp, and I have to cover up the counters. I have to cover up like the refrigerator and the floors, of course. So that's gonna be part of the vlog, and then obviously once we start painting, I'm gonna show you guys. Also, some like other renovations that we've done to the house are we installed, I did like 5% of the work. My husband installed recessed lighting, which is really cool. Usually when we walk in, like after a night out, it's like pitch black in here because the only lights are that one, the hallway, and that lamp we have over there. So now we just flip the switch. Ah, so pretty! Ah! I got it! I got it! Ugh, these are so weird. They have this weird little, like, lever thing right here. And you have to flip it up on both sides before you can take the drawer out. But as you're taking the drawer out, they'll keep falling. That's so annoying. Guys, so this is the progress so far. We have a lot of the walls and surrounding areas tarps, or we have blankets on them. We still have a little bit more to do, and most of the cabinets are painted now. We kind of had to put like a stop on our work. Oh my gosh. That's not cute. We kind of have to stop some of what we were doing. Okay, can I put it back a little bit? Okay. We had to stop because my husband spray painted most of the cabinets, and we're painting everything white, but it's starting to turn yellow or kind of brown. So we're gonna let them dry and see like what happens, and whatever happens will determine if we start spraying the kitchen or if we have to go out and get a different paint and then test that out, and then hopefully it works, so then we can just use that paint throughout everything. So that's where we're at right now, and hopefully I have better news like tomorrow or in the next few days. We found out that the reason our white paint was turning yellow is because we were having wood bleed through, which none of the videos or articles we looked at mentioned it. But that's what was happening. And then we bought a shellac like primer to help prevent that. And so this is where we're at now. We have 2 cabinets done, and still the rest of the kitchen. Hey guys, so it's been a few days and we've made some progress. We finally have like a coat of white paint on all the cabinets, even the ones on top. If you do ever want to paint your cabinets, just don't try to paint the inside. Like, leave them whatever color they came with, because if not, then you're stuck with all these streak marks from the primer, and then you have to go in like with 2 coats to cover that up. So I'm ignoring the insides for now, and once like the coat of paint on like the outside's dry, I'm gonna start putting everything back, and then slowly, very slowly, I'm gonna start painting the inside of the cabinets like one by one instead of completely, you know, taking my kitchen apart. So the reason I say not to paint the insides is, one, because it looks streaky as heck, at least the primer does. But you have all of these like edges and corners and like these different areas, and you have to do the back wall, the side walls, this thing, and then you have to do underneath this thing, and then again the bottom, the side, and it's just so much. The reason we even primed the inside of the cabinets is because we were originally gonna use like a spray gun to, you know, spray all these cabinets and get a super smooth finish. But one, the first paint we used was not like specific for kitchen cabinets and trim, and then we had a shellac because we were getting wood bleed through, which is like when the wood just doesn't hold on and you can see it clear as day coming through the paint. And when we finally got the paint that's for cabinets and trim and all that, you couldn't thin it out, so we can't use it inside our sprayer. So now we're doing everything by hand. And I really wish we knew that, because I would have left everything looking like this instead of ugly. Alright, so I just got done finishing the last 2 cabinet doors. We have a little one here and then a bigger one here. The kitchen has been done for like 3 weeks now, and everything's already in. Like, the drawers are in. We've been using the kitchen, and these 2 have just kind of been like pushed aside, and we keep ignoring them. And so finally today I was like, you know what? No, I can't stand having 2 bare cabinets without a door. So I'm putting them on, and hopefully, finally, after a month of vlogging, I can, you know, complete the editing and upload this so you guys can see our kitchen transformation. You guys, the kitchen is finally done! Oh my gosh, this took us over a month because of laziness and just other priorities, and I'm so happy to show you guys. The whole kitchen is now painted white, and we even painted this door, which was not a part of the original plan. So I'm so excited. Let's see if I can get like a big picture for you guys. My new kitchen. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I've always wanted a white kitchen, and now we just need to paint the rest of the house. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's very different from anything that's on my channel so far, and man, was this a project. Oh my goodness. I watched all of these videos on how to paint kitchens and make sure you get the best finish and all this kind of stuff, and they did it in like less than a week. It took us so much longer. I think it's because we originally wanted to spray paint, but then we couldn't, so we had to hand paint, and then just I think we tried to have way too many projects going at one time. But anyways, like I was saying before, my dog so rudely interrupted me. We had a lot of projects going on at the same time that we were painting the kitchen, so it just became like really tedious and annoying to paint and paint and paint. So I have two like tips if you're ever painting. One is like if you're painting a room, stick to that one room, then give yourself like a break and move on to the next painting project. And try not to have like too many projects going at once because it just gets really hard. And also, if you're ever gonna paint, prime. Always use primer. That is what held us back. That's what caused the biggest headache. So save yourself a headache and prime. And yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram, linked in the description box down below. And as always, comment any suggestions for future videos.